Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed about the different parts of a hibiscus flower. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you the overview of a hibiscus flower plant. This plant belongs to the family Malvaceae, or also called as mallow family. This is the structure of a hibiscus plant. The roots are the taproot system. Taproot system means to the main root, small roots arises from that main root. The hibiscus flowers are large and showy, and this genus grows into herbs, shrubs, or small trees. There are more than 100 species that are used throughout the world as food and medicines. So there are so many uses. Now the leaf. The leaves are ovate to lanceolate. Ovate means which are in egg shape. If you observe here, the egg shape. Lanceolate means at the tip small cornings will be there, and the leaf margin is often lobed or toothed. It may be smooth or covered in trichomes. Trichome means hair-like structures near the leaves. The fresh leaves contain 2 to 3% proteins and traces of iron, calcium, and phosphorus. And these may be grown in warm, temperate, tropical, and subtropical regions throughout the world. The plants follow perennial or annual life cycle, and it is entomophilous. Entomophilous means pollinated by the insects only. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about the flower. The characteristics of the flower are the hibiscus flowers are very showy. These are borne single or present in clusters. If you observe in this plant, we can see them as single or as well as the clusters. These hibiscus are trumpet shaped and range in different colors. There are 5 petals in these hibiscus flowers. All will be formed as a trumpet, and it looks very nice. So there are different colors like purple, red, white, pink, and I'm giving you all these colors in this video. Different colors are available for us. So these hibiscus flowers, if you taste that, they are acidic in taste because they are rich in natural acids and also contain iron, phosphorus, calcium, vitamin B complex. The presence of epicalyx is common here. So the epicalyx means at the down, if you observe, small hair-like structures are present at the bottom. Those are known as the epicalyx. The stamens are fused to form a tube, and the pollen grains are spiny in nature. If you observe these pollen grains, they just like the hook-like structure, small spiny in nature. And these hibiscus are used for so many purposes. In my next video, I will give you regarding the uses of the hibiscus. These soil requirements, these plants can be grown in dry soils and slightly acidic environments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.